Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is January 16th, which is a Tuesday. We had yesterday off for Martin Luther Day. And what's going on today? So 8:30, we had some interesting numbers. We had a bunch of Canadian numbers, which I'm not too particularly interested in, but the Empire State Manufacturing Index, a red item, man, did it miss. Minus 4.9 was expected, and it got a minus 43.7. That's huge, huge miss here. It's basically saying that the manufacturing going on in New York is not happening. So this is very, very, very negative. What else do we have? We have 11 o'clock. We have FOMC member Waller speaking. And that is all we have for the rest of the day. Now let's take a look. We'll take a look at the reaction to the market here in just a minute. But normally when you see such a giant wrong bad number, you're going to see a negative reaction in the market. And that is not what we saw. So again, this is one of those situations where bad news is good news. Makes no sense, but hey, it is what it is, and that's the market we're in. Taking a look at the daily chart here, you can see that Friday we were up very, very slightly, and we were up a teeny tiny bit yesterday in the holiday trading hours. Now we are gapping down, at least somewhat. We'll have to see where that actually takes us. Where are we? Looks like we are in the middle of the muck. I mean, you can just literally go take a rectangle here and go, there's the muck. Yep, we're in it. Okay, so top side, probably the top side of this box somewhere in the neighborhood of 48.42. Where's the downside? Probably right in this general area, 47.71. It looks like a range that we are kind of stuck in and will be probably for a few more days. Yeah, and of course the weather nationwide is really ugly. I'm in Tennessee, and it's 19 degrees. We have about 4 inches of snow on the ground, and I know that that doesn't sound like much, but here in Tennessee, we don't see much snow, and the whole world shuts down when it snows. Schools are closed. Some of the highways are even closed. The 4 inches is intermixed with a layer of ice, a layer of snow, layer of ice, layer of snow, so it's pretty ugly. Schools are closed, but the good news is it's warm in my house, and I have internet access, so all good. So taking a look at the intraday inventory, I should say, what do we have here? Friday, we had a very slight day up, negative inventory, so we have some divergence. This is the holiday baloney, nothing to talk about here, and we are gapping down very, very slightly. And you can see that at 8:30, we definitely went up. We'll look at that here in just a second. So looking at the intraday, you can see, let's back up a little bit. Here is the 8:30 bar right here. So we went up when there was very negative news about the Empire State Manufacturing Index. So again, great example of how this market takes bad news and somehow can make it into good news, because if there is bad news, the economy is really sucking, then the Fed will stop raising interest rates and or may lower interest rates. Oh my God, this is so good. Just never forget why this actually happens. Why does the Fed cut rates? Because the economy's terrible. That's bad. Whatever. It's markets. I want to say the market's an idiot, but hey, you know what? We have to trade it, and we have to trade what we see. So, where are the intraday levels of support and resistance? I know. It's crazy. It's just nuts. 48.12, so area of resistance. We've got some more at 48.30, around the whole number, 48.50. Really good resistance up around 48.68. Support, on the other hand, we got some support at 47.68, 47.54, some good level here at 47.30. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 52.4, 52.4, a positive bias from the Stock Traders Almanac for today. That is it. That's all I've got for you. Hope to see you tomorrow. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.